EGLE's Radiological Emergency Preparedness Unit has the unique task of monitoring radiation levels in the environment in scenarios such as a nuclear power plant accident. To do this, we typically provide field teams with survey equipment and deploy them in vehicles along predetermined routes around the plant. There's nothing particularly special about traveling these exact routes, other than that they roughly circle the plant in all directions on land at varying distances out to about 10 miles away. Recent developments in our program have allowed us to automate the collection of survey data taken in the field and upload it to the RadResponder network where it can be viewed on a map by decision makers. In late July, we then conducted our first successful test flight with this system mounted on a drone, having it automatically collect data points as it flew. Only a few weeks later, in mid-August, we successfully demonstrated this capability to collect data in Drill 2 at the DC Cook power plant. During the drill that took place on August 12th, just before 11 a.m., our first field team approached the north end of Red Route 1, which is the closest route to the plant. Around the same time, the drone pilot took their first test points just south of the same area. Shortly after 11 a.m., the field team located the spot where the plume intersected with Red Route 1, as indicated by the high readings appearing on the map. Knowing where the center line of the plume is can be a good place to start, but we're also interested in knowing what readings we can find even further away. After about 20 minutes, the drone took off from an area just south of Blue Route 1 and was able to quickly reach an area further down centerline where data may have been useful. The successful demonstration of this new capability we have is exciting for the numerous benefits it may offer our program. With the right coordination and planning, a drone should be able to deploy quite rapidly to where we need it. In this drill, we saw it was able to appear in a useful area within about 20 minutes. Another benefit is no longer having to stick to the predetermined monitoring routes. Drones could help us potentially navigate to areas that are difficult to reach quickly by driving, as long as the flight path is within the legal parameters. In this drill, data was collected by flying in the area between Red Route 1 and Blue Route 1, which we typically might not cover, but might actually be of interest. Lastly, and most importantly, however, is the potential to avoid a field team worker ever having to expose themselves to radiation inside the plume itself in order to collect survey data. With the right innovation, good strategy, and teamwork, we have the exciting opportunity to make EGLE's rep unit safer and more efficient than ever. Thanks for watching.